It's been a while since I've posted any video on this channel. There are mainly two reasons to that. One is that I have been busy doing a lot of freelancing projects and building projects of my own and trying to make them successful. So a lot of time is being gone into building all those projects. And another reason is that on this channel, I was mainly helping people who want to learn coding by deep diving into code and building projects from scratch. But this year AI is totally changing the game. No one is actually watching coding tutorials. I'm not sure if anybody is interested in deep dive into code anymore because people have mostly been using Claude Code to build all their projects. Maybe no one is actually interested in understanding what's happening under the hood. So I've decided to change the focus of this channel. So on this channel, mainly I'll be sharing what projects I'm building, basically sharing the entire journey of how it feels like being a freelance software engineer. Before we do that, I have never actually introduced myself on this channel. So I'm a freelance software engineer based in Christchurch, New Zealand. It's been over 2 years since I have started freelancing. I've been getting a lot of projects even through my YouTube channel. People are reaching out to me and I'm building their projects. Also mentoring some people online just to help them to learn and understand coding in detail. So if you are also building your dream project, I'm sure you'll find a way to connect with me through links in the description. In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about the projects that I've been building. What's my experience of being a freelance software engineer over the last 2 years? And I'm going to be documenting my entire journey going forward, like how I'm trying to make those projects successful, what skills I'm trying to learn just to take those projects in the right direction. So it will be like a documentary for somebody who will be starting a SaaS or any other web project. Maybe in next 5 years, they can come back and look at the entire documentary and basically get an idea on what kind of problems we face when we are trying to build any project from scratch. Building a project is very easy, but making it commercially successful takes a lot. Skills that we learn as a software engineers, that is about building projects, basically are not enough to make it commercially successful at all. So I'll be documenting my entire journey, mainly about 2 projects which I've been working on for last 1 year. So I'll be leaving links to those projects here on the screen somewhere or in the description. Check out those projects and let me know what do you think about them and if I should be adding any additional features on those projects. We'll dive much deeper into those projects, and I'm also going to discuss what challenges I've been facing. To be honest, building was never a challenge for me because I've spent a lot of years building freelance projects and working as a software engineer at a job. So building has never been a problem for me in terms of skills. But to make the project commercially successful, again, the building is not enough. So that's what I'm going to be sharing in the upcoming videos. If you're interested in this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and I'll talk more details on my projects in the upcoming videos.